8 to 9 Marabunta here.
How many?
Units
How
here.
many?
8 to 9.
8
8
to
to
9.
9. Okay.
Clap
three
them
cup.
all. Clap them all, okay? Don't forget.
Hey, every US is just put in the money, okay? Nobody takes fight. If I see anybody taking fight, you're gone, bro.
Don't fail, okay? I
Yeah.
believe on you guys, okay?
I see Marabunta car approaching. Yeah, they're increasing little.
Who is with you guys? FIB and LSPD, yeah?
Yeah, yeah. No NG, no SH.
First clap, Marapunda guys, go! FRB,
Go, 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 go! Fast, 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 guys. Move around with the truck.
Hey, tell LSPD to give demands and go.
He's shooting.
No, they have it in 10, bro.
Shoot them back, shoot them back.
Bro, NG is going to bank, imagine, bro.
What's the situation? Tell me.
My bullets are over, bro. They're shooting me.
Bro, why LSPD is following me, bro? Just tell them to go shoot them, bro.
Are you putting the money inside or no?
No, I can't.
No. They're just in front of the bank. I mean, they're covered the doors.
I'm
Alright.
roaming with the truck.
But I think we can clap them, guys. Let's clap them.
Yeah,
I
go,
tried
clap
killing
them,
2 guys. I killed.
And tell LSPD to clap them. And someone drop a global again.
Put a global again if needed.
I killed 3 people, bro. And dead.
What's the situation now, mate?
It's heavy ten.
I will come check it myself with the helicopter now.
Yeah, I'm just roaming with the truck here and there. When I get approval, I come to the bank. Okay? Bro, it's heavy ten. Go, clap him, guys. What the fuck are you doing?
I killed alone 3 people where nobody was there, you know? From the backside alone.
Moit, what's I cannot hear you.
Yeah. Tell me.
I'm just checking. Are you good, right?
Yeah, I'm good with the truck. No worries.
Anyone is alive at the bank or no?
Hello?
What's the situation? Can anybody tell me, or everyone is dead, or what? Tell me fast.
No, I was dead. I'm going back. I don't know about the rest.
Hey, rest, guys.
Hello, Apache, everybody respond, guys, fast. Anybody, just the Tenson, anybody. Well, somebody say
guys, I
everybody
need
is
the
dead.
situation. I need to know the situation. Should they come or not?
What you say?
Ten?